Well, the promoter versus management battle is back at Infosys. The company's founding chairman, that's N.R. Narayanamurthy, opened a new front in his tiff with the management. This time around, targeting the fat pay hike for the CEO, that's Praveen Rao. Infosys, however, has hit back, saying that the pay hike was approved by 67% of all shareholders and that it was needed to retain talent and improve competitiveness. However, the company does say that it has made a careful note of all promoter concerns. In fact, Chandra R. Srikanth had filed this detailed report earlier.
On the face of it, it's a defensive statement coming out from Infosys. If you look at the way it's structured, they started out by saying that they've taken into account extensive survey to really determine the nature of compensation. They've also given a breakup of COO Praveen Rao's new compensation structure, stating that they have brought down the cash component and that the stock incentives, the performance-linked incentives has gone up as part of his pay package. There's also a quote by Vishal Sikka that says that the new compensation structure really reflects the nature of the company to build a more performance-oriented management, and also that it's needed to retain key talent. So those are the statements coming out from Vishal Sikka. But I think the final part of the statement is really key to understand, because they've said that they have taken careful note of the statement expressed by the promoter and that they view this as feedback that they will be working on going forward. They've also said that they've taken note of the fact that some shareholders did not agree with the resolution. They said, but largely the resolution to increase his compensation has got the go-ahead from 67% of shareholders. So those are the justifications coming in from Infosys. But in terms of the tone of this statement, it's not different from, the statement in February where they had also taken a defensive stance. So is this really going to help in, mending those fences, building bridges with the founders? I'm not so sure. Besides, remember, they had hired Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas to establish a structured form of communication between the founders and the board. The fact that there are flashpoints despite this really goes to show that, it's been a very uneasy truce between the two, and even the statement today is unlikely to be enough for the promoter.